Alright, y'all. So it is 9:36, and we just turned on the car to go for a drive around the block. Try to get this auto tune going to see how smoothly we could get things flowing. And we're gonna have to spend a few days and work out a few kinks here and there, but so far it's running pretty smooth. So let's take a look. Here's auto tune and some of its features. Once we get the car somewhat tuned, we'll come back and we'll do the warm-up enrichment. But right now, we're just going to do the main fuel table. The car is at 160, so auto tune should be able to start working. Down here is where we're at. If you could do a few revs. You see where right here it turned red. It's tuning, and we have it on very easy just so that it can smoothen things out, and then we'll pull back a little and let's go for a little drive. Okay, so after a few drives we're getting a little bit of a fuel curve. Now, this is what it looks like in 3D. This is what it looks like in 2D. We're just gonna go for a little ride around the block with auto tune running. Go ahead, Gino. One little spin around, up and down the block. On the top left, you got your engine speed. On the bottom left, you got your air-fuel ratio. In the middle, you got your engine load. On the right, you got everything that the Microsquirt has worked on. Those yellow and green, red and blues, those are the cells that it's working on, how much is worked on them, whether it went up or down. And right now, everything you see in red right here, it just finished working on. As you can hear, the engine's running a whole lot smoother than it was before. We still think that we should change the spark plugs, but for the most part, it's running pretty smooth, at least for a first day. Up and down the block, nothing too crazy. We got to take it on the highway and smoothen everything out, but she's running pretty good.